So I finally got the shifter for my bike. Last ride I broke the original Can Am shifter, as you can see. Finally got the new one right here. Nice aluminum. It was like $25 on Amazon. A lot better, a lot sturdier, so hopefully should be good this time around. Yep. Got the dogs ready to help. But yeah, so pretty much what you have to do, you can take out the panel, the two clips, take all this off. I had already taken it off. And then you take out these 3 bolts here, those 3 bolts back there, and then you gotta take out this other piece. I still haven't taken it out. You just gotta use 2 wrenches to take it out, one from each side. Oh, and this little spring as well. And then you just reinstall this one, and then it should be good to go. Also, after that, you gotta adjust it here so it can be corrected. Look, it's all messed up right now, but yeah, I can install it now. Here's the shifter installed. Now you just have to adjust it with this right here, and you're good to go. Just put the plastics back on, and then it's ready to ride. So I hope that one doesn't break. It shouldn't break. I don't know why the other one broke. I didn't even hit it hard at all, but should be good. It's done, installed. Now it's ready to ride. Too much sun. Plastics back on, and yeah, ready to go.